So here we have the beaver dam kit on a 10-foot John boat. Why I really enjoy these small kits is how low profile the engine is. You see how the engine is almost down in the boat. That's because of this design here. Now, something you do run into is getting the engine hung up on these bolts if you still have these on the end, these wings. So what I do, I cut them off, and then you don't have to use this riser that it comes with. You can get this engine and your tail as low as possible down to the water and down in the boat. So you can get your tail more horizontal, and in theory that should give you more thrust because you want the thrust being as horizontal as possible.